Do you know the power of your subconscious mind? Do you know how subconscious mind works? I'm sure you know about it. But do you know we have something more powerful? We are connected to the world like internet, World Wide Web, that is called universal mind. Some people call it superconscious mind. Do you know how to contact them, how to program it to achieve what you want in your life? It might have happened to many times you want to meet somebody and you send a message, it goes to the universal mind and you got connected. So my friend, universal mind is a very powerful thing. If you don't know how to use it, I am conducting a free workshop on Telegram. It will be a 1-week workshop on Telegram starting on 21st of September. Remember, it is free. You will learn step by step how I used it and how you can use it to attract what you want in your life by just using the power of your universal mind. We all are connected to the universal mind, but we need to know how to connect. Same like what we need to connect with the internet. We want to search something, you need to learn how to search it properly to get the proper result. Right now we are already using our universal mind. It is already connected like the internet, like our computer is our, say for example I am talking to you, I am a conscious mind. My computer, my hard drive is my subconscious mind. So whatever I have, I can connect with my subconscious mind and get it. But something is not there, then what we do? We connect with the universal mind, like our World Wide Web, and we Google it and we get it. Now, if you don't know how to properly connect it and get the answers, you don't get it. Now, in this course, you are going to learn step by step how to connect with your universal mind and draw whatever you want in your life, whether money, health, opportunities, relationships, or maybe anything else you want in your life. It has worked for me number of times, but I didn't know how it worked. Then I started doing research on it and I find out a simple, easy way to connect with it and attract what you want in life. So if you want to connect with the universal mind, click on the link below because the workshop is happening on Telegram. Our invite link is there down below. Click on the link and join our Telegram group and forward this message to your friends and family members so they can also get benefit out of it. So my friend, click on the link right now below and join the Telegram group and see you on 21st of September. Thank you very much.